In this video, I will show you how to use FERRET DataMapper. FERRET suite is deployed into my local machine, so after hit this URL, FERRET DataMapper login, I will be prompted to give my username and password. Here I am giving my one. So this is the existing project which I have created before, and now I'm going to create a new project. Create new project name, node log report. I'm using my local host, so my server IP will be localhost. Username, password, and the database name, and create. So my project created. Now I'm going to open this. So in this view I can add table, data model, and organize into all this thing in my way. So now I'm going to add some table here. Just in table segment I have to click on plus, and this is the existing tables and views of the database which I have selected. Now I'm going to add some table which I want, and I'm going to add node log and revenue log. Save. So my table added, and if I want to join this table in some condition, then I just have to select those table and join, and have to set my join type. It can be either inner, full outer, left join, right join, cross join. So selecting full outer join, or node log operator is equal to revenue log operator, and save this join. So the join saved successfully. This is the joint list. I can see my join here. I can also edit if I want to edit some join condition, and I can delete the join condition. Just simply click the delete option. So this is the way of joining to table, and if I want to delete any table, I just have to select the table and click on the cross button here. Yes, then my table will delete. Now I have to create some data models from the table I have added, and I can create data model, either drag the table here, or I can just click on plus. I have to add a folder at first, and all the data model will be categorized into folders. So I just have to select if the folder portion is blank, and if I want to click on add, then I just can select only folder. Here I cannot select any data model or filter. So I'm just giving a name of my folder, sample folder, and save. And if I want to add something in this folder, then I just have to select this folder and click plus, and I have to give a name. And this is the select portion. This is the filter type. I'm going to select data model, and I have to give a name of my data model, simple data model. And this is the select portion, and this is the where portion. So if I want to select some columns from the existing table of the database, then I just have to go to the select portion here, and I can see the table. I have added only one table here, so I can see only one table. So I'm just selecting a column and save. So in this way I can select a column, and I can also add a filter, where filter here, and it is greater than 0. So this is my where condition. This means select node lock heat from node lock where heat is greater than 0, and my selected type is number. And if I want to select a simple data model, then I just have to click on data type. This is not an aggregated one. I'm just selecting some heat from node lock, so click this data type and save. So my sample data model is created, and if I want to select all the columns from this table, then I just have to drag the table and drop it here. So this table add as a data model. Now if I want to edit the folder and the data model, I just have to select the edited folder and click on edit, and I'm just rename it node lock info. Save. So node lock edited by node lock info, and I'm going to edit some more thing. I want to make the heat as aggregated one, so I just have to select the data model and click on edit, and I want to select calculated value sum. So this means I'm going to select all the sum of heat from node lock, and now I'm going to save this. You can see the icon has changed. This is the simple data model icon, and this is the aggregated one. I have selected all the sum of heat from node lock here. Now I'm going to create a filter. I just have to select the folder and then add, and now I'm going to filter has only select portion, no wire portion can add it here. So I have to give a name, filter model. Now I have to set the condition in select portion here for filter. So I'm selecting date stamp from node lock where node lock is not equal to null. Save. And my filter is created. This is the icon for filter, and if I want to see only the condition, and I can see the condition here, and this is the all portion. So this is how we can create data model, aggregated values, and filter. And if I want to delete any folder here, I just have to select the folder and delete. And we have some customize function here to join another table. Okay. So going to add another folder, data. So in this folder I'm going to add some customized data which is similar name from node log and revenue log, like this. I have to select the customized data and then add. Then I'm going to select. Here I have this function, either it can be variable, composite or user text. In user text I can select a user text. In variable I can add a new variable here, so I'm now going to select composite, and under this composite I will add column from node log, and then I just have to give a separator, pipeline separator. Now I'm going to create a column from revenue log. Both column name is same, MOU from revenue log and MOU from node log in composite function, which means it will be select node log MOU, either revenue MOU, but we can give us name, same name here. So I'm going to save this, customize MOU. Okay, so if I want to select some columns from node log and select customize MOU, then it will select the customize MOU from node log, and if I select some column from revenue log and customize MOU, it will select also from revenue log. So this is actually done for same name, column value. Okay, this is how we can create folders and data models. And if I want to change the connection string, if my server name changed, if my database name changed, my username and password changed, then I can also edit the connection string from here. And if I want to create a new project, then I just have to click on new project. Like the previous, I have shown you project name, server name, database user ID. You can give here and create a new project. And if I want to open an existing project, then I just have to select the folder of, and I can see the existing project. Like clicking this project, I can move on to this project. And if I want to see the overall snapshot of this project, then I just have to click on project summary, and this is the basic summary option. If I click on refresh, I can see the new added thing, like number of folder. I have 3 folder here. Number of data model, I have total 14 data model here, and data model, date type data model is 2, text type is 5, number type is 6, aggregated value is 1, number of filter is 1, and there is no join condition here. So this is the overall project summary. So this is how we can map a database in DataMapper. So this is all from DataMapper. Now I'm going to sign off.